Morning, morning, morning. Good morning. It's raining. It's a rainy day today. I'm out here putting in my steps as usual. So, yesterday I was a little bit lazy and I did not get my steps, but I'm trying to get it even though it's raining. Well, it's light, so I'm gonna try. I have no umbrella, so but I'm gonna still try. I need to get at least 5,000. So let me get 5,000 and go home now. Oh, okay. So good morning. Morning, morning. Look, the skies. Sky is black, well, gray, we can say. But it's a rainy morning today. I'm hoping to get in 5,000. I would be happy. There's one person on the trail with me. Okay. Whew. Very, 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 very quiet morning. Persons are in. Apparently they're not coming out because of the rain. But I'm trying to get as much in as possible. So here I am. I'm walking in the rain. Hey, what's up? Walking in the rain. It's raining. I'm trying to get these steps in, but the rain wants to prevent it. So how are you? Hi there. How you doing? Thanks for joining. Ooh. Hey, thanks for joining. It's raining heavy. Well, it's not heavy, but we are getting the rain. Mm. Ush. Ush on that. Ush on that. Yes, the rain is coming down. It's getting heavier, so I suppose I may just have to turn back. I'm not sure I can go any further. Ooh, oops, it's getting heavy. So I suppose I'm going to maybe if I worn something that could take the wet off, I would. But I'm hoping that I get 3,000 steps. I'm not sure. Yeah, Jesus is God. Yeah, that's true. Rain is good, but I really don't feel comfortable getting all this wet. Idler. There's so many idlers we have. There are so many idlers we have that really come on why persons really do things like this. They need to find something more productive to do with their lives. This is no time to joke. If you don't have anything positive to say, just get off. Get off. You know, you don't really don't need idlers. Honestly, we can do without idlers in the world because this is what is creating all the mayhem in society. All these idlers coming on and making up all these stories and coming on with these rude statements and these out of order statements that you must keep in your bedroom. Who cares about you and who your mother come catch? Don't come on my life with your foolishness. Keep it to yourself. I'm really not interested. I'm really, really not interested. Go and find something to do or go and sleep. Go exercise. Go and exercise. Out of order. Since you come with this, let me take you off. Completely. Good morning. trying to get in these steps. Hey, good morning. Good morning. Trying to get some steps in. Okay, there's one person on. It's raining and I am, yeah, that's it. It's wet. Hopefully I'll get 10,000 steps. This man, damn disgusting. People, if you're on the live and you think that you need to be rude or come on with rude statements, please hop off. Just come off. Because I really don't need that. Honestly, I don't. I don't need to know what is happening in your bedroom. I personally don't need to know. And if you need persons to know, you turn on your live and advertise it. But on my channel, I personally am not interested in what is happening in your bedroom. So really, respectfully, just take yourself off if you think that you need to tell me. I'm not interested. I'm not interested in you. I'm not interested in your views. I'm not interested in nothing pertaining to you as long as you have to be rude. Because I'm not rude to anyone. So I don't need anybody to come on here and be rude and telling me, typing any rude statements here. I'm not interested in rude behavior. Really not interested in any rude behavior. So keep it to yourself and you can have it for your meal. I'm not here to entertain anybody and then ruin this. They're out of order. These little simple mind people. Forward and fresh. Out of order. Anyway, happy Sunday. Enough of those persons, enough of those rude people. We're not going to take our time to concentrate on them fully, but we just have to address them. Good morning. This is Sunday morning. A lot of us going to church later on. Happy Sunday. Thanks for coming on, joining me, taking your precious time, decent people, to come along this rainy Sunday, exercise with me, because of course you're with me. As long as you're on my live, you're with me. So I thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yep. Thank you so much for staying. Now, I have a little burning issue for those of us who lives in, I don't know, some of these first world countries. I am not sure if you guys are annoyed as me with all these bulk mails. So you get a lot of mails daily. Daily. You will get at least 10 mails, 10, 15 mails. 50% of those mails are bulk mails. Now, this is so frustrating. It is so time consuming with all your information on it. You have to go through now and go and get rid of them. I wonder if there isn't anything that can be done about these organizations. Because in today's world, that is a digital world, I can't understand how they find so much time to be issuing all these bulk mails. How they get all this time when you have so many platforms that you can advertise your business on. It is crazy. It is just crazy. It is annoying. And quite honestly, I think it is just, I think I can't find words. I just can't find words as to why these people have so much time to be sending out all these bulk mail. Week after week after week after week after week. You're getting all these mails from the same people, introducing them business to you, and you're not interested, you know. How can you really get it to stop? That's what I would love to know. How do you get it to stop coming to your yard? You have never had done business with these people, but they have your information and to be sending out things to you month after month after month. It's crazy. It's harassment. Really, it's harassment. It's just harassing people. Packing up your yard with all these paper. I don't know if there's anybody out there that find it as disgusting as me. How do you, apart from send it back to them, now you're going to have to have the time to put it in another envelope, find stamp to put on it, and return it. Who have time for that? Because maybe that's the only way they will stop. But it's annoying. It's very, very annoying. So I don't know. I don't know if there's anybody out there that find it as annoying as I do. All of these bulk mails coming to you months after months after months. I've never seen this. Never. So I braved the rain and doing my walks. I suppose I'm going to put in that 10,000. can do 1 hour to and from. Started out at 6:30. Yes, man. Really look at she toes. Ah, feeling tired, but I have to push on. I have to go on. Yeah, girl, how you doing? How you doing? I'm enjoying it. Really. Yeah, me too. You just joined? I was just here talking about bulk mails, my dear. I'm so frustrated and tired of all these bulk mails. Every day you get 10 that you have no use for. You have never done business with these people. So, this is what I was talking about. And a very rude person that made some comment to me about what happened in his bedroom. I'm not interested in that. I'm really not. These people are so rude and out of order and have no life. They need to get a life, man. Yes, very out of order. Coming to tell me about what happened in his bedroom. Him or her, I don't even know who it is. Feisty. Very feisty. You know what I mean? Past the limit. You know, when you come on social media, people just think it's their right to be so rude. You're going to walk this morning? Yeah. Yeah. For no reason at all. Because him give me one long paragraph, about police stopping him, which really and truly didn't make any sense to me. So I barely respond to that. Because you want to be nice to persons, because they take time out to come and view you, so you really want to respond. So one long paragraph about police, and I really thought that was some nonsense. So of course, That did not draw my attention as what he would think. So he proceeded now to tell me about what happened in his bedroom. Eh? Can you believe it? There should be some way to just charge these people. Out of order. Just so blinking rude. So rude, I'm telling you. So you're not going out today? Miss Peace, you're not going out today? I am the only person, well, I see about 2 persons walking this morning because it was raining, and about 3 times I made attempt to turn back, and I'm happy I didn't because the rain stopped. So I'm really happy I'm here getting in these steps because it makes you feel so good, you know. It really makes you feel good. I feel like I could walk the entire day, but I can't. I have things to do. Thanks for everybody joining my life. Thank you so much. Happy Sunday. I have to look back behind me ever so often. Oh my God. I have to make sure that I'm safe because you can't be too comfortable with all that is happening in this world. You can't be too comfortable. You know, you have to be ahead of the game. Can't be too comfortable at all. Because persons out there, they're so evil. If they can be so evil with the keyboard, you can just imagine these people see in person. What they'll do to you. It's crazy. These people are crazy. I know that there was a lot of mad people in the world, but I'm telling you, don't ask if social media and show them up. The mad people them come out in their numbers. In their numbers. Because when they do these things, them just highlighting how mad they are. Crazy they are. You know what I mean? Them crawl out of them hole. And them just display them madness. Yeah. Yes, girl, it's crazy, crazy, crazy times. People don't have any manners. They don't even have any pride in themselves. Because if you have any pride at all, you don't make statements like that. So they don't even value themselves. Poor thing. Poor little thing. They don't value themselves at all. And until people start putting value on themselves, the world will not be better. Until people start respecting themselves, because they don't respect themselves either. So until we start respecting ourselves, it's not gonna get any better. We have to respect ourselves first before we even respect people. They don't know what respect is. They don't know what it is to be decent, and they're not even willing to learn. They're not even willing to learn. Yeah. I'm not going to carry me on their route or their level though. Because me even not even going to be arguing with nobody who I can't see. I'm not going to argue with them. Waste my time. You know, just wasting your time with them. I don't even have time for that. Rude people, man. Out of order, need to go get a life. Go get a life, man. You have nothing to do. Go run around your house and get fit and physically fit. Sit down in your house and name yourself to death. Sit down in your house just a name. That is why you find time for idle. Oh gosh. I'm halfway through my journey. Look here, let me tell you now. You see them now? Then just sit down in them place, one place, then sit down from last night. Don't get up. Don't do nothing. And just dip on the internet, just look. Who know I can disturb? Who can I disturb? Look how Sunday is such a peaceful day. And you find time for want erupt, for disturb the Sunday. Nee? Exactly, see? You exercising and cooking. No, them cook. If them did not find time for cook, you don't have time for that. Because you can't make them statement there over your food. You know what I mean? So them not have time. Them just sit down and yam fast food and create peer mischief. And them you see society stay so. People like them there. People like them. Like societies like this. Because them have all they think about is them stomach. That's all. Nothing else. Them not think about them wealth. Them not think about their health. Them not think about them picnic. Them not think about nothing productive. People like them. Yeah. Nothing productive to do or say. But to be rude. coming to tell me about what happened in the bedroom. I don't know what happened in the bedroom. Because I go see the bedroom too. Go see the bedroom too. You're a ratness. Out of order, man. Damn rude too. Oh gosh. Going up a little grade here. Hi, Cool Banks. How you doing? Thanks for joining. Out of order. I'm facey. Me not compare yourself to nobody. Rank up themselves. Some of them not even beard. Some like a property cow. Yeah. Yeah, man. Some of them they get a shower from morning. Go bathe. Go in at the bathroom and go bathe your skin. The time you take a come on social media, find time for be rude and out of order. Go and get a shower. Clean out your bed. Your bed won't spread up. Take off the dirty sheet off your bed. And find time for cook a decent meal. Because that is what YouTube is for. You go on YouTube. What's up? What's up, North Carolina? Should really fix him properly before I remove him off my page. Tell him to go and shower. And me find time for come back again. Because them always on these fake pages. So I will catch him. Tell him to go and bathe. I know he don't bathe. Check him out now. From last week, don't get a shower. Personal hygiene, oral hygiene, no take care of. Teeth no brush, and you know wash himself. But you find time for come and rank up yourself with people. Morning. Morning. Yeah. If it's even one person I know I motivate them, you know how much persons I motivate with this walking. So if I'm not interested in it, because all I'm interested in is in stomach for it to get distended. You're going to get distended. You must have it distended already. This is not the channel for you. If all you're interested in is to get your stomach distended, this is not, it is not at this time. I have videos that I'm cooking, go check them out. But at this point in time, I'm exercising. Out of order, man. Face and bright. You're still exercising indoor, girl? Is it raining by you? Oh, Lord, thank you. Thank you, Lord. I'm happy I didn't turn back. Can walk through this lane, but in any mood. It's a longer walk. Oh, yeah, man. Keep moving. Keep moving, girl. We have to keep moving. We gotta keep on going. Big wheel moving, moving on. Remember that song? Big wheel moving. You gotta keep on moving. Oh my goodness. Woo. Corn as far as the eyes can see. Woo. Time is it? So I'm doing 1 hour now. Yeah, that's nice. Mm. Woo, woo. Wow. Oh, I got my Oh, whew. Oh Lord. Excuse me. I'm so sorry. Oh Lord. Oh, good morning. Morning, morning, morning. I'm on my exercise journey. So I'm walking. I've already gone 1 hour, wrapping up now. I wanted to do 6 miles this morning, but I'm not going to be able to do it with this pending rain. So 3 miles is good enough for today. Oh, oops, my eyes. Mm, mm, mm. I can stand the rain against my window. Oh, mm. Hello, everybody. Ooh. I can't see through these glasses at all. Mm-mm. Mm. Ooh, foggy. This is foggy bad. My goodness. Okay. I know I'm gonna have to find. It's a little birdie. I'm gonna have to find. 241 is over that. I think it's over that side. Oh, Jesus. Whew. Oh, Lord. Whew. Oh, so guys, thank you for staying with me. I'm gonna end the live now. It's I've been walking for an hour and I have another maybe about 20 minutes. So for sure I do 2 hours today. I'm happy. So thank you guys. Thank you very much.